졸업했습니다. 졸업했습니다. What does this sentence mean? We will know about the meaning of this later because today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about the word 졸업하다. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 232. 졸업하다. 졸업하다. This is pronounced as a four-syllable word. The first syllable is jor, second syllable is up, third syllable is ha, and the fourth syllable is da. 졸업하다. 졸업하다. The word 졸업하다 is a root verb which means to graduate. Again, it means to graduate. Since this is a root verb, we still have to conjugate it for it to be used in a sentence. But before using it in a sentence, let's learn first how to write this in Hangul. The word is composed of four syllables, and we will write the Hanguls of this word by going through the four syllables. So let's start with the first one. First, we need to draw a geode character followed by the O character followed by a real character. And that's how you write the syllable jor. And then, for the second syllable, op, we need to draw first an iyang character followed by the O character followed by the B character. Next, for the third syllable ha, we need to draw first a hiyo character followed by the a character. And then, for the last syllable da, we need to draw first a dikit character followed by an a character. And then, we just have to combine the Hangul for each of these four syllables to form the Hangul of the word 졸업하다. Now let's try to look into this example short sentence. It says, I graduated. Again, I graduated. The Korean translation of this is 졸업했습니다. Again, 졸업했습니다, which is the phrase or sentence presented at the beginning of the video. If you would remember, our word actually for today is 졸업하다. How is it transformed to 졸업했습니다? So, as mentioned, 졸업하다 is the root verb. And if we wanted to say graduated, we just need to transform this verb into its past tense form. So how do we transform it into past tense? Just like the usual method, we will remove da from the ending of 졸업하다. So we're left with 졸업하. And then, to make it in past tense form, we'll just be adding 에서 to 졸업하. So that results to 졸업했어. Again, 졸업했어. So again, 졸업하다 is the root verb, and when this is transformed into past tense, it becomes 졸업했어. When you wanted to say, I graduated to people that are of the same age as you or younger than you, it is already enough to say 졸업했어. But since there are times wherein you would want to talk about graduation in a formal setting, you might want to make it a formal form. So, in order for you to make it into a formal form, you just need to add 습니다. So, 졸업했어, we need to remove the O part and replace it with 습니다. So that results to 졸업했습니다. Just to summarize, 졸업했습니다 means I graduated, and this is in past tense form. At the same time, this is in formal form, meaning you can use this to talk to people that are older than you or in a formal setting, especially the corporate ones. And don't forget, this originated to our word for today, which is 졸업하다, which we just studied. Now, let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 222 to 231. don't forget our word for today, word number 232, 졸업하다. This is a root verb which means to graduate. Word number 231 is 년, which means year. Word number 230 is 여기, which means here. Word number 229 is 후, which means after. Word number 228 is 전에, which means before or formerly. Word number 227 is 분, which means minute. Word number 226 is 시, which means hour. Word number 225 is 달, which means month. Word number 224 is 주, which means week. Word number 223 is 듣다. This is a root verb which means to hear or listen. And then the last for our review is word number 222, 일, which means day. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.